Welcome to Lesson 9 of our Safe at Home Visual Journal series, What Do You Miss? In this lesson, students are going to create a sketch of something that they miss about life before the coronavirus and write a journal reflection explaining the significance. We'll plan, sketch, and finally end with a journal reflection. Please post any questions that you may have at any time in the comments section. I'll be live for discussion and to answer questions during art class on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and during my office hours Monday through Thursday from 3 o'clock to 3:30 p.m. In this distance learning unit, we are creating a visual journal to reflect on our experiences and record a historical primary document of this time that we are living through. This week our essential question is, what do you miss about life before the quarantine? Today's prompt is, what do you miss the most while quarantined? While I miss all of my students very much and being at school and teaching them art, the thing I miss the most is probably playing hockey. Now, I've been able to do some inline skating in order to stay in shape a little bit, but I certainly miss being out there on the ice. So I'm going to draw one of these pictures of me playing hockey, and I'm going to start off by trying to focus on the gesture of the form and kind of rough in the general shape of the overall picture, trying to capture the motion and the stance that I'm standing in. Now that I'm starting to get the overall shape kind of roughed in, I'm going to go back and start to add some details and check on my proportions. And once my drawing is complete, I'll use some colored pencil to add some color. So what is it that you miss the most? Is it a person? Is it an activity? Is it a place that you go? So think about it and let's see what you come up with. Time for some colored pencil. I'm going to try to apply different amounts of pressure to try to control the value of the lightness and darkness of the colors. using a little bit of blue to darken in my shadows and make them seem like they recede further. Since I'm using watercolor pencil, I'm just going to kind of go through with a water brush and blend some of these colors together a little bit. And that should be just about it. Some of the proportions are a little bit funky, but overall I think I enjoyed this one. And I can't wait to see what you come up with. If you're still unsure how to post to Seesaw, please see this video or email me directly. Here are journal questions for today. 1. What did you draw? 2. Why did you draw it? 3. Why do you miss it? And 4. How does this relate to the coronavirus? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to keep up with all of our lessons.